All right, welcome back to another series of MySQL. Okay. All right, welcome back to another chapter of MySQL tutorial. All right, check. All right, welcome back to another chapter of MySQL. Today we will learning the regular expression. So yeah, as I mentioned, today we will learn the regular expression. What is regular expression? How we can use in the SQL. So without any further delay, let's get started. Okay, so regular expression, it's a same like as we learned in the previous class. So if you don't check out the previous class, I have given the link in the I button. You can check out from there. Okay, so regular expression is same as a like operator in the SQL, but because of like operator you query becomes so lengthy. So I personally like the regularization because you can write your query short as compared to the like operator. Okay, so basically, for example, somebody asks you that what is regular expression, so you can say it's same as a like operator but used for partial match. Okay, and a like contains filter index. Sorry, if somebody asks you that what is regular expression, so you can say it's same like a like operator, it's a use for the partial match. Okay, so there is some symbol we use in the regular expression. Let me write it down here. So these are some symbol for the regular expression which are we are gonna use in the. Okay, so these are some regular expression symbol which is we are gonna use in future classes also. So for this cap used for the start with, dollar sign used for the end with, this is used for the or. If you don't know how to use this symbol, you can slash, just press the control and slash key above the enter key, you will get this symbol. And this bracket and curly bracket, bracket used for the range of value and curly bracket used for the repeat and number of time. Okay, so let's understand with the examples. So for example, I want to know, select star, we are gonna use the same database here, the batch one, like from batch one dot film, and I will write here where title regular expression star, and I will press this enter. Okay, so we got all this. So as you can see here, so as you can see here, we got all these column or rows which contain star. Okay, in same way what we does in the like operator, if you remember yesterday we used the like operator. Like operator, what we does, let me copy paste this. In like operator, what we did like content. For the content, what we write, percentage, right? Content star. How many rows we get? 26. And in the regular expression also we get. So regular expression same like a like operator, but it's just you can reduce your query using regular expression. Okay, for example, I want to know the those film which contain which has star starting with. So for that, what I will do, for the starting we use this up cap, right? This cap symbol for the starting with. So if you will run this query, you will get all the film which has star in the starting. Same like for the ending with, you have to use the dollar. Okay, so let's move on to the further part. And in like operator, what we did, we already teach yesterday class. Just to show you, that's why I use one example. Okay, for example, I want to display all this film content with the king, star and I. Why I am using same example, that I can show you that how easier it is to use as compared to the like. So what was our example yesterday? So I will use same example. I want to display all those film film containing with king, star and die. So for that, what we will do, we will write same like in like operator. What we did, we write like where title like star, then end or sorry, we write where title like regular expression. Okay, let me write for you. Okay, so we will not go to too much depth, otherwise video will become so long. I don't want to explain like operator again and again here. So for that, we will just simply like, see, star, what was our display all those film which containing with king, star and die. So or for the or, you don't have to write here like, regular expression, star and title, regular expression, or what you call die, or like that, it will become so lengthy. For that, we use the simple query here. You can use or symbol, and then again you have to write king, again or symbol, then again die, and close it your query, and boom, you got all the, see, king. See, it's not or means the row which has the film name which contain the die, king or star. So die, as you can see, there is a king in the die. It's not starting with, ending with, it's just a containing. If you want to know starting with or ending with, for that you can write like that. For example, you want to know display those film like starting with star and king and ending with die. Okay, so for that, how you will write, what we will do, for the starting with, what symbol we use, just now I saw you this one, right? Cap symbol. So I will use cap here, and or starting with, oh sorry, ending with king, right? Sorry, starting with also king. So starting with king or ending with what I want, ending with die. So for the ending with, we use dollar function. Okay, if you will run this query, you will get, see, starting with king, starting with the star, starting with king. Maybe I don't think so there is any film which is so it's ending with die. Can you see it? Okay, I hope everybody clear with the starting with and ending with. Okay, let's move to the another part. Okay, so before we moving to the another part, I would like to say something, guys. Let me show you something. Can you see here? I mean, everybody, if you guys like the video, please do subscribe. I just open my analytics page, and I saw there is, okay. So okay, let's move on to the another part. Okay, so before we move on to the another part, I want to show you something, guys. As you can see here, there is a, all the people are watching my video, just 27% people subscribe my channel, the other they are just watching. If you like the video, please do subscribe, and yeah, I get lot of support and motivation if you subscribe my video. Thank you. So let's begin our video again. So what was our condition? Yeah, so for example, can you see here, this is all star or king or die. This is containing with, this is here we give particular condition that starting with star, starting with king and ending with die. For that, you can do with another things also. Okay, okay. So what if you want to know that not containing star or not containing king or not containing die, you want to see those film. So for that, what you will do, same query you have to do, like I will copy paste from here. What you have to do, you want to do not containing, I will write here that it will be easier to understand. Not containing die, star and king. So for that, what you will do, just have to change the expression not. So you will get all those film which is not containing star, die and king. Can you see here, there is, you will not found any film which has die, star and king in the title. Okay, I hope everybody clear till here. Okay, now we will understand the how we can use this bracket, range of value. We understand starting with, we understand ending with, we understand or. Now we will understand the range of value, how we can use in the regular expression. Okay, so for that, for example, see why we use this bracket. Maybe it will check for the all the words related to the your condition. For example, you want to know uh, those film those films, uh, the word with XYZ. Okay, XYZ you want to know. So for that, what we will do, let me copy paste till here. Okay, can do it. For example, you want to know all those films which containing XYZ. If you will write like this, it will search for the, if you will write like this XYZ, it will search for the XYZ film, like like star, whole XYZ. But if you will write inside the bracket, it will search for those film which has X, Y, and Z in that, in the title. So can you see here, even there is a V, a Y. See here also there is a V, X, Y. There must be Z somewhere. I don't know. Yeah, see this is, can you see here? This is Z. So now you understand what is the. For example, you want to know a film, another. See, same thing you can write like this also, and there is another way to write also. If you want to, so see, you can write like this also, this query. If you will use or function here, for or you can, if you don't want to write a or, I, as I mentioned earlier, this is to simplify your query or make it smaller your query. So you can write X or Y or Z. This is a symbol for or. Okay, if you will run this query, you will get the same result. Can you see a 319 row for this, 319 row for this? Okay, I hope till here everybody are clear. Now for now, for example, I want to display those film which uh, is ending with XYZ. For example, you want to know those film only which is ending with XYZ. For that, what we will do, same, this is containing XYZ. Now I want to know ending with. So ending with, what we use, dollar sign. Okay, so you can write here just a dollar. You will get all those film who has X, Y or Z in the end. X, Y, 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 Y. Can you see here in the end? Maybe there must be any film with the Z. Oh, okay, no problem if there is no any Z, but it will search for those film which has in the end X or Y or Z, like that. Okay, I hope everybody clear. Same like that you can do with the starting with. For starting with, you have to write cap symbol in the starting, you will get in the starting. Okay, I hope clear with everybody. Okay, so now this is we understand with the text, like how we find the text using a regular expression. What if you want to find there is 1 2 3 in the end, or containing 1 2 3 1 1 4 9 or 0 to 9? Okay, so for that, what you will do, for example, you want to find 1 2 3. Okay, containing 1 2 3. Okay, so can you see here 1 2 2 2 2? Okay, you can write like this also. If you will write like this, like 0 hyphen 9, it will search for those film which contain 0 to 9. Like there is only words from 0 to 9. If you write 1 0, like if you write 10, it will contain it will sign as a 0, right? So see 0 to 9. See, there is all film you will found which has number in their title. Okay, so for that, for example, yesterday we used one example, right? What was that? Let me open the yesterday file. So to open a new tab, just press Ctrl T. You will get it a new tab. Go to here, open new script, and yesterday script. Yesterday what we used, chapter 3, like operator. Okay. So for example, let me open these example for yesterday. Then it will be easy to understand. Okay. For example, I want to see this. This is just in the last class we learned, right? Let me copy this. I'll paste it here. Okay. I want to display list of film start with C or H but end with OD. So for that, what you will do, you will write select star from batch1 dot film, and where title regular expression. Okay, so starting with what we write, cap symbol C, or starting with H. We will close this, and now what we need, title regular expression ending with, for the ending with OD, right? So for the ending with we use $sign, and we will close our query. We'll get these three fields. Okay, yesterday you remember we got the same result, right? So you can use the regular expression wherever you want to use instead of like operator. I personally like the regular expression. It's up to you. If you want to use the regular expression, sorry, like operator, you can use it. Okay. So for example, I want to display all this film contain only number. What if, what if somebody give you a condition, you want to display uh, the list of films containing only numbers. For that, what you will do, only number you want to write, right? So for that, what we will do, we will write not regular expression a hyphen z. So means all the film which doesn't have a to z word in the film, I want to see only those. If you will run this query, you will get only those film which has title numbers, not a text. On the opposite, if you will write like this, not regular expression 0 to 9, you will get only those film which has text in their title. Okay, so you will not get any film which has number in their title. Okay, see, maybe you are getting confused why this third, but in SQL, third means it's written in Roman letter, right? Third they will read as a triple I. Okay, so that's why you are getting like that. Okay, so we will understand this regular expression with a few complex example. We will not go too much depth in that in this, because we have already understand in the last classes how we can use same like that. You can use the regular expression, like. Okay, so I will for example, I want to see display the list of field which start with number but not end with number. So for that, what we will do, I will use same operator, select regular expression 0 to 9, but I want that list of field which start with number. For to start with, what we will do, cap sign 0 to 9. I want all the number, right? And title regular expression end with. Now here we want to know end with, right? So end with, but not end with number. So for that, what I will do, I will use the same symbol 0 hyphen 9 and end with number. Let me close this. Okay, so we got all the list of film which, oh sorry, not end with number. See, so we got all the film which start with number. Can you see here, all the starting with number but not ending with number, right? There you will not find any film which starting with number but not ending with number. Okay, let's understand few more example. For example, you want to display the list of films which contain name start, or what you can say, okay, start or end with number or start with x, y, and z. So can you see a display all the list of film which containing star. This is not start, okay? This is star means film name containing star or end with number or starting with xyz. So how you will write that word? This is very simple to write in regular expression, but in like operator it will become so lengthy. So for that what you have, right? Select star from batch one dot film where regular expression start with what you call start with, oh sorry, start with star, okay, or end with numbers. For end with we will write 0-9, okay, or end with, for you we use symbol dollar symbol now, or starting with xyz. So starting with dollar sign I will use xyz. Okay, we will close this query. We will get only the, oh, where I did mistake somewhere here, there is some error. Let me correct regular. Okay, I write wrong this. Okay, oh, what is happening? Oh sorry, I write x y. uh, okay, see, I forgot to write title here, that's why I was getting this error. Okay, so we got our, see, containing star or starting with 09. So this is, or sorry, ending with what you call number and starting with xyz. Okay, so these all film we got. First film we get, see, this is not like, you know, we want only those film which has all these three. We are saying here that those film which containing star. So don't get confused that is Spider-Man 3 there is no star or the xyz in the film. So we have three condition here na, or we are not using and, okay, we are using or, so don't get confused on this. Okay, so we got all the film which contain star also, which contain 0 to number 0 to 9 in the end, or xyz in the starting. Okay, I hope everybody clear till there. Okay, so let's understand one more example. And for example, I want to display the list of film which has number in the first two digit and does not end with number. Okay, so for that what we will do, select star from batch one dot film, okay, dot film, and where title regular expression. Now what was our condition? The list of film which has number in first two digit. So first we will run starting with number, right? So for the starting with we write 0 to 9 hyphen, and what was our condition? In second digit we use, just now I saw you right here somewhere, repeat n times. So for repeating we write repeat 2. What was our condition? Display the list of film which has number in first two digit. So two digits, if you say first three digit you will write 3, if you said first two digit you will write 2. We will close with the curly bracket, we will run this query. You will get only those film which has starting with number and first two digit, sorry, number in first two digit See, can you see in first two digit is number, okay, but does not end with number, okay. So this is starting with 0 to 9 second number but does not end with number. You will not see any film like that. I hope you understand how we can use regular expression in the SQL. Till then, happy learning. Keep supporting the video. Thank you.